Good morning guys, today I'm gonna cook sausages, potatoes, and broccoli. Okay, so these are all the ingredients: salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, potatoes, broccoli, garlic, onions, and then the sausages. Broccoli, okay, so this one. Set aside this one and we're gonna put in the water with the ice so that the cooking will stop, okay? Okay guys, we're gonna add the potatoes. Cook the potatoes first, okay. And then we're gonna add black pepper. Okay, we'll be right back. The potatoes are cooked. So, we're gonna take it out and then set aside first. So, the potatoes are done and then set aside first. Well, okay. Saute the garlic. Then saute the onions. And then add the sausages. We're gonna add that. Not so much. Nayak ko. Okay. And then put a little soy sauce. Okay. And then black pepper. A pinch of salt. Oyster sauce. Okay, next guys, the potatoes. broccoli. Okay. Look at that one. The color of the broccoli, it's very pretty. Look at. Sausages, potatoes, and broccoli. Okay, it's very yummy. Sausages and potatoes. Yummy. And then the sausage. And then the broccoli. It's yummy. Potatoes and broccoli. Yummy. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_cha, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.